Every human on this planet is gifted with a source of endless power, and yet 99.9% of people give it all away. I'm talking about the power of your mind. To begin, let's discuss the fundamental question: what is the mind? It's not just the physical organ called the brain. The mind encompasses our thoughts, emotions, beliefs, and the incredible ability to process information. Your mind is like a supercomputer that can either empower or limit you, depending on how you use it. The power of your mind is one of the strongest and most useful powers you possess. This power consists of your thoughts. The thoughts that pass through your mind are responsible for everything that happens in your life. Your predominant thoughts influence your behavior and attitude and control your actions and reactions. As your thoughts are, so is your life. Thoughts are like a video that plays on the screen of your mind. What you play there determines the kind of life you live and the experiences you meet. To make changes in your life, you have to play a different video, one that you like more. The power of thoughts is a creative power. You can train and strengthen this power. You can use it to make changes in your life and also to influence other people's minds. If you plant seeds, water them, and give them fertilizers, they will grow into healthy and strong plants. Thoughts, like seeds, have a natural tendency to grow and manifest in your life if you feed them with attention, interest, and enthusiasm. Your thoughts pass from your conscious mind to your subconscious mind, which in turn influences your actions in accordance with these thoughts. Now that you know about the power of your thought, let's understand how you can use this power. Here are 5 scientifically proven ways to harness the power of your mind. Number 1, visualization and mental rehearsal. Scientific studies have demonstrated the effectiveness of visualization and mental rehearsal in improving performance in various domains, including sports, learning, and personal development. When you vividly imagine yourself successfully achieving a goal or performing a task, your brain interprets it as a real experience. This process helps you build confidence and competence. For example, athletes who mentally rehearse their moves or routines often exhibit improved physical performance. The brain's neural pathways can be strengthened through mental practice, making it a valuable tool for achieving your goals. Number 2, mindfulness meditation. Extensive research supports the numerous benefits of mindfulness meditation for mental and physical well-being. Mindfulness involves paying focused, non-judgmental attention to the present moment. Regular practice of mindfulness meditation has been shown to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, improve emotional regulation, and enhance cognitive functions. Moreover, mindfulness meditation can promote changes in the brain's structure and function, leading to increased resilience and better mental health. It's a powerful method for using your mind to cultivate a positive and centered state. Number 3, positive affirmations. Scientific studies have suggested that using positive affirmations can have a beneficial impact on self-esteem and overall mindset. Affirmations are positive, present tense statements that you repeat to yourself. For example, I am confident and capable, or I am worthy of success. By repeating these affirmations regularly, you can reprogram your subconscious mind to focus on positive beliefs and reduce negative self-talk. Write down affirmations that resonate with your goals and values and incorporate them into your daily routine, saying them with conviction. Number 4, self-hypnosis. Self-hypnosis is a method that involves entering a relaxed, focused, state of mind to access your subconscious and influence your thoughts, behaviors, and emotions. Research has shown that self-hypnosis can be effective for reducing anxiety, managing pain, and breaking unwanted habits like smoking. You can find self-hypnosis scripts and audio recordings online, or even work with a certified hypnotherapist remotely to guide you through the process. Number 5, gratitude journaling. Keeping a gratitude journal is a simple yet scientifically supported practice. It involves regularly writing down things you're thankful for. Research indicates that this practice can lead to increased well-being, improved mood, and decreased symptoms of depression. Set aside a few minutes each day to jot down the things you appreciate in your life, whether they are big or small. The act of focusing on positive aspects can help shift your mindset and boost your mental well-being. Now that you know different ways to harness the power of your mind, let's understand how people give away their power over their mind. We will go over 2 ways in which people give away the power of their mind. Number 1, self-doubt. Many people undermine their own potential by doubting their abilities. Self-doubt is like a mental anchor that can weigh you down and prevent you from achieving your goals. It is like an insidious force that can silently erode one's confidence and hinder personal progress. It operates by sowing the seeds of uncertainty within your mind, making you question your abilities and potential. This internal dialogue of self-doubt can become a self-fulfilling prophecy. Consider limiting beliefs as a prime example. If you convince yourself that you're not intelligent enough for a specific career path, your mind will adopt this belief as reality. Consequently, it will become a formidable barrier to your success in that field. Number 2, external validation. Relying heavily on external validation means surrendering the reins of your mind to the opinions and judgments of others. This behavior involves seeking affirmation and approval from external sources, thereby allowing their perspectives to influence your sense of self-worth and decision-making. It's akin to relinquishing control over your own mental landscape. Constantly seeking the approval of others can be draining, as you find yourself perpetually second-guessing your choices, preoccupied with thoughts of how others will perceive them. Your decision-making process becomes externalized, undermining your sense of autonomy and self-trust. That's it. By the way, if you want to level up in life, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. Until next time, stay tuned.